Hey guys, so on today's episode, I'm going to show you how much of the header panel you need to cut on a 99 through 04 F250 to put in 05 through 07 style headlights. A lot of you guys know Josh and I both run the 05 through 07 headlights, and now I am switching to a projector style from Spider Auto. They look cool, very happy with them. They're all installed. I'm shooting this at night after it's all been done and I filmed everything. So don't forget guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. All of it helps the channel grow and helps our videos continue to get views and help us grow better and provide you with more content. So guys, without too much more of me talking, here we go. So here we are. Again, my truck is an 04. I do have 05 style headlights in this truck. Requires a few different things. The first thing it requires is this harness here, and basically all this does is it takes the factory connection, you plug it in there, and it makes it this H13 style here. So now on the headlights, these are not 05. I took my 05 style out and I'm putting Spider 05 headlights in, which will require another harness here, but that comes with the kit. It's already wired up for you. So the headlights themselves are plug and play. You guys should have seen our video. We talk about how we come up with this contraption here. That has all of our stuff wired up for the new headlights. And this guy just stays the same. You just plug him over. So what I want to show you guys here is what all needs cut out to make it fit, because all of the diagrams I've seen say, hey, this little section here you cut out. No, it's a much larger section here. And actually, I'm going to clean this up. This was my very first attempt years ago, and it didn't look bad, but it wasn't completely flush up against here. So I'm going to now make it look right. Basically, what you want to do is, as you can see here, there's a piece here I cut all the way out. I'll probably cut this down a little further, and I'll probably cut pretty much, I'll come down here and then across here, back up here, back up and come straight up here, clean this up. I will take all this stuff up here out as well. I'll come up and then I'll kind of follow this little line here, and I'll cut a lot of that stuff out. Well, there's a lot that you cut out. I was pretty scared when I first did this in my truck. So when I got here, you know, definitely you can kind of tell from my progression. I already closed up the other one, so I'm just going to show you this, guys, when it's all done. I like to just tuck my wires back here a little bit, shield them from as much of the dust as I can. I am working with a cheap Harbor Freight Dremel. This has done this, let's see here, on my truck, my dad's truck. It's done some other cutting for me. It will do the job. That being said, I do recommend a nicer quality Dremel. If you're on a budget though, the Harbor Freight one works. I did forget to tell you guys, right here, there's a nub that kind of sticks out here. You got to cut that off to get it all to fit. So I'll show you what all I cut out, guys. This is going to be a separate video from the going over the 05 or the new headlights I put in. This is going to be a how-to, how much to cut out to put the 05 style headlights in your truck. So that's really what this is. Hopefully it's a fairly short video, but I'll probably show a little of me cutting, but not a whole lot. All right, guys, take two. I'm not even going to put the first take in there, guys, but I thought I had it. I did not, so I did make some extra trims. I'll just go over the whole thing here. What all you cut out is basically when you get this, when you open up your headlight for the 04, this is all going to be plastic. There's a little hole back here and a few holes that hold the headlight in with a goofy contraption that Ford could have done better with. Anyway, so what you do here is you basically cut a huge square. There's a piece that actually pops out here. That's like a 3D-ish. You can kind of see here, basically it follows these lines. It's a big box and it connects here. So obviously that's been completely removed. There's a nub here. This gets completely ground flat. You come up here, and basically I use these holes. There's little holes, you'll see like a hole here, a square. I use them as markers to hit as I'm cutting across. And I take this over pretty far and come down and I cut around the bottom here pretty flat. I also, there's this little cylinder here, I kind of cut part of that out down flat. I cut into here a little bit, just gives you a little more room to clear your headlight in here. And I cut along here. I think this was just like a straight piece from factory. I forget, it's been so long since I made that cut. There is a plastic piece, kind of wraps around your bumper here, holds in. I take it off. It kind of gets in the way. It's a pain in the butt. You can make it fit just fine with it there. I prefer to take it out. It's not hard. If you just kind of, it doesn't even, there's two body panel things that hold it in place. I just take it up, start turning it along the side, and by the time you turn it down by your tire, it pops off. That's what I do. Did that on both sides. So anyway, this is the final cut for today. I'm going to get this headlight in. Go check out our video that has how we actually hooked these up. That video will come out prior to this. This is more of a how-to. There's a little of me cutting just to show you guys how I cut. Wear safety glasses and a mask. There's a ton of dust this kicks up. Wear a mask. It's going to end up in your lungs. That's my little safety piece for today. I'm using just a cheap $25 or $20 Chicago Electric little Dremel from Harbor Freight. It works fine for this. You gotta be careful. I have had issues with the bit coming out in the past, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Just a quick kind of tutorial on how to do it and how much to cut out. I wish I had an 04 to start fresh with and show you guys the whole process. If any of our subscribers are close enough, maybe something to consider. Get in contact with us. Maybe we can work something out where we can get a start to finish process on doing that headlight conversion. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos.